Welcome, fam. You woke up stiff, hips locked, legs heavy, like you're dragging your body through mud. That's not just soreness, it's stuck tension. But we're about to shift that. Let's hit the mat. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, a back knee drops softly. Now lean into your front leg, chest proud, hips melting forward. This move is your morning unlock. Your hip flexors have been shortened all night, and if you don't open them now, they'll tighten every step of the day. I promise, freeing up your hips first thing gives you more energy and better posture. Beginners, keep hands on your thigh. Advanced stretches, sink deeper with hands on the floor or blocks. Feel that stretch? Hold it. 5 more seconds. That just cracked open your right hip. Now let's mash the left. Step your left foot forward this time. Same motion, lean in, breathe deep, and let the front of the hip release. Are your glutes relaxed or clenching? Softening here unlocks more depth. This isn't just about mobility, it's about freedom, because tight hips equals tight thoughts. Ready for a twist that wakes up your spine too? Hold it. 5 more seconds. That just opened the gate. Now let's rotate. Step the right foot forward again, back in your lunge. Now lift your right arm and twist towards your front leg. Gaze up, open the chest, and feel that spinal stretch from the hip to your ribs. Why does this matter? Because most people move in straight lines, but life throws you curves. I promise, rotational stretches train your body to handle it all. Beginners, keep the back knee grounded. Advanced stretches, lift the back knee for more fire. Can you reach an inch higher? Hold that reach. 5 seconds. Twist done. Let's do the other side. Now left foot forward, right arm reaches. Twist open to the left. Breathe into that side body. This stretch doesn't just loosen, you're building balance. I promise, your lower back and digestion benefit more than you think. Twist, reach, breathe. Do you feel the stretch in your ribs yet? If not, check your elbow. Don't let it collapse. 5 more seconds. That just realigned your whole frame. Time to open it all the way up. Stand tall, legs wide. Now fold forward. Reach for the ground or your ankles, or just let the arms hang. Feel the hamstring stretch and spine decompress. You carry stress in your back and legs. This is your offload point. I promise, when you release the back line, you move better everywhere else. Beginners, bend the knee slightly. Advanced stretches, reach for the floor and gently sway side to side. This one move calms your nervous system and increases flexibility. Double win. Hold 5 more seconds. That just lengthened your whole back, but now it's time to go deep. Come to the floor, right knee forward, shin angled across the mat. Left leg extends straight back, chest tall, or folded over, your call. This is where tension hides, and where we release it. I promise, if you've been feeling blocked emotionally or physically, the stretch helps both. Beginners, keep hands planted and stay upright. Advanced stretches, fold fully over the front leg. This one's not easy, but do you feel the hip unlock yet? If not, relax your glutes, breathe lower. Hold for 5 more seconds. Time to switch and balance it out. Now left leg forward, right leg back. Same setup. This side might feel tighter, and that's normal. Every hip has its own story. Let the stretch rewrite it. I promise, when you breathe through this, your walk, your workout, your whole day shifts. Stay with it. This is the moment of change. 5 more seconds. That just freed up the base. Let's cap it off with control. Sit tall, knees bent, feet flat. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and alternate. Like windshield wipers. You're not just stretching here, you're restoring control. I promise, internal rotation is the key to bulletproof hips, better squats, and deeper rest. Beginners, keep feet wide and motion small. Advanced stretches, bring heels close to the body and move slower. This is your final challenge. Can you keep this smooth and controlled? 5 more seconds. You did it. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture uplifts mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot. Rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.